Hitempro, we specialize in high-precision insulation materials and CNC machining solutions for demanding industrial applications worldwide. With more than 10 years of manufacturing and export experience, we have built a strong reputation for reliability, consistency, and engineering-driven solutions. Our core materials include FR4, G10, G11, and GPO3, engineered to perform in high temperature, high voltage, and mechanically demanding environments. Hitempro products are widely used in electric motors, transformers, power distribution systems, automation equipment, new energy applications, and industrial heating solutions. From electrical insulation to structural composite components, we help our customers improve performance, safety, and service life. Equipped with advanced CNC milling, drilling, tapping, and multi-axis machining centers, we manufacture custom insulation and composite parts with precision tolerances of up to plus or minus 0.05 millimeters. All processes are managed under a strict ISO 9001 quality management system, ensuring dimensional accuracy, material stability, and consistent production quality. Whether you need rapid prototyping, small batch customization, or high-volume production, our engineering and production teams work closely with you to deliver fast response, professional technical support, and dependable lead times. At Hitempro, we are more than a material supplier. We are your long-term manufacturing partner, committed to precision, performance, and trust. Visit hitempro.com and discover how Hitempro helps power the industries of tomorrow.